Alright, this is Jason with the Primal Outdoors channel, and Wheeler, my dog, has had his surgery, and we're staying camped out in my RV here like I said I would be. It's a good place for him to be, and I've got a good spot with a little bed that he's able to stay confined and not moving around too much. And I don't want to do any rooftop tent camping with the little trailer until he at least gets his stitches out and the doctor gives me an okay that he can start moving around a little bit more. But even at then, I think he's gonna, I'm gonna have to take it pretty easy with him. But I at least want to keep him in the RV where he can stay comfortable until his stitches are out. But what I thought I'd do today is I thought I'd grab Daisy and we'd just take off for a couple 3 hours, and I'd take you to a spot up here where I'm camped that I really love and I'm kind of anxious to show you guys. Alright, so I'm just getting my chest pack and stuff on. We are gonna start heading into the forest here. The spot that we're gonna go to is right along a nice little river. The water comes out of the ground just up the way here a little bit, but there's no trail access to it, so we're gonna have to kind of bushwhack our way through the forest. So hopefully you guys can see why I like this area so much. It's really a gorgeous area, and I'll take you guys just a bit further up the stream here and I'll show you where the water, all this water is basically coming just straight out of the ground. It's unfortunate that it decided today to be overcast because this is just an absolutely beautiful spot when the sun is out, and especially where the sun is rising up here. It's just really nice. But we do need some rain, so if it does rain it would be great. But yeah, I wish I was showing it to you guys with the sun on it because it's absolutely gorgeous. But like I said, let's cruise up ahead a little ways and I'll show you guys where the water's coming straight out of the ground. Alright, so it is super cool how the water is just coming straight out of the ground here. As you look all along this bank here, the water is just flowing straight out of the ground, and it's just really cool to have that much water, this big of a, basically a spring, flowing all and creating the size of river of what I showed you when we first got down here. Now actually this is just one leg of a Y. There's actually another leg that goes up from where we were at about another 500 yards, and it also has water coming straight out of the ground, but there's a road to it. And then the reason why I like this one is because there is no road to this one. You have to bushwhack your way in. So it's just kind of been unabused and just beautiful, and I just really enjoy coming here. I usually come here at least once a year, and just to see it and just to check it out, but really beautiful. But anyhow, it is starting to sprinkle on us a little bit. Hopefully it turns into a little bit more than just a sprinkle. But I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and pack up, and we'll get out of here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little outing with Daisy, and just being able to get out and check out some beautiful places in the wilderness. And if you did, give the video a like. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you did subscribe. And I'll catch you guys again outside.